This video is going to go through an example of a power calculation. The power required to lift a 775-pound HVAC unit to the top of a 65-foot tall building is 7 horsepower. How long does it take to raise the HVAC unit? In this problem, we are trying to find how long it takes to raise the unit, so this is the time. We know the HVAC unit also weighs 775 pounds. This weight is going to be the force. Since we are lifting the unit vertically, the weight force is the force applied in the direction of motion. We are also told the power required is 7 horsepower. However, when we are going through power calculations, power should be in foot-pounds per second, not horsepower. Therefore, we are going to convert 7 horsepower into foot-pounds per second. The conversion between horsepower and foot-pounds per second is that 1 horsepower is equal to 550 foot-pounds per second. After multiplying, we see that 7 horsepower is equal to 3,850 foot-pounds per second. The last piece of information we are given in this problem is the distance S is equal to 65 feet, which is the height of the building. We are trying to solve for time. The basic power equation we will use to solve for time is that power is equal to the work divided by the time. In this problem, we aren't specifically given the amount of work. However, we are told that the force required and the distance this force is applied, so we can calculate the work by taking the force applied multiplied by the distance. To find our working equation, we need to write our original equation in terms of time. Therefore, time is equal to the force multiplied by the distance divided by the power. Next, we can substitute the force of 775 pounds multiplied by the distance of 65 feet and divided by the power in foot-pounds per second of 3,850 foot-pounds per second. After typing this into our calculator, we see that the time required is 13.1 seconds. This concludes our power calculation example.